Guys, Lech here. Quick video today to show you how to fix your windshield wiper nozzles. For a couple weeks now I realized our left one, the driver's side, wasn't spraying. You know, I peeked in here, there's a little hole. You can technically shove a needle if something's obstruction, but I didn't see anything in. But the only way that would happen is if you got some gunk, you know, or some debris in your reservoir when you're refilling the liquid. So that wasn't it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I realized happened. It wasn't clogged up. Very simple. The connection piece just broke off. This is cheap. Oh, even broke more. So yeah, this is like this, and this is supposed to connect to the nozzle over there. The thing is, it broke completely at this point now. Plastic, cheap junk. Thankfully, AutoZone had a replacement, and here's the part you need to get. 58112. I paid $16 for this in AutoZone just today. I needed it right now because we're going away, but I'm sure you can find it a lot cheaper online. And this is the exact nozzle you need. So now I'm going to show you guys. There's a couple tabs, right? You need to depress those to get this out. Since that one's broken, we're just going to crush it with a piece of pliers, whatever we need to. Don't do nothing from the outside, it's from in here. So you need to get in here, squeeze those pliers. You can try by hand or use pliers. Oh, there you go. And this just comes out. That's our old piece. This I'm gonna take off. They just pop out. These are like heavy kind of PVC hoses. This is rubber. We gotta get the remainder of that out. So I'm gonna try to do that right now as it broke in there. Just old plastic, that's all it is. Alright, that's good. I'll take our new nozzle. I'm gonna probably put it on an angle. So it's actually not an OEM nozzle, but you know, that's the replacement they carry. We'll see how it sprays in a second. They had a 2-pack in the store with this piece coming out. That was $20 if you want to replace both, but it'll be a little different connection here. So, just gonna take this, go on an angle, and just snap it in. Boom, perfect. So we're now here. Pop these guys back on, adjust it, pop it right in there, adjust it, and that's it. We'll see if anything leaks here. If it does, I can always put a zip ties, but that's exactly how it's designed. So that's about it, guys. Let's test it out and we'll see what happens. Check it, Alex. A little more. There you go. Perfect, works. Now wait, I want to check the inside. Go ahead. All right, no leaks, guys. We are good. You can turn off the car. Yeah. So guys, another quick tip before I finish up. Just remember, your windshield washer fluid goes here on the right side. Don't accidentally put it into this container or vice versa. This is your engine coolant. You don't want to mix the two up. If you accidentally do, just remember you fully drain either container, refill it with the correct fluid so you don't have any issues. Don't run your car if that happens. And another quick tip here, for power steering, you need to use the correct one. I was in AutoZone, you know, I picked the one that said Jeep Chrysler. They actually told me that wasn't the right. You want to have one that has the electric hydro or whatever that means. They recommended this German one, which of course it's fancy metal can and a little pricier. So that's that. And then your brake fluid goes in there. Make sure you use the correct one as well. As to the oil, this car takes 5W-20. I have a whole video how to change the oil in this car. Check out the link below for that and some other videos as well. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.